Imagine bringing your loved ones right into your living room for a video chat. Now you can, with FaceTime on your Apple TV 4K. First things first, let's get you set up. Your Apple TV 4K needs to be running tvOS 17 or later to support FaceTime. You'll also need a compatible iPhone or iPad with continuity camera. Enabled, this means your iPhone's camera will be wirelessly connected to your Apple TV. When you're ready to make a call, the easiest way is through Siri. Simply press and hold the Siri button on your Apple TV remote and say, "Hey Siri, FaceTime contact name," or "Hey Siri, FaceTime phone number." If you prefer to initiate the call manually, head to the FaceTime app on your Apple TV, navigate to your contacts, and select the person you wish to call. You can also start a call from the control center by swiping down to reveal options, including initiating a FaceTime call. Once the call is connected, you'll see your contact on the big screen. You can even adjust the camera angle using your iPhone. If the framing isn't quite right, you can tilt your iPhone up or down to reposition the camera, giving you the perfect view. Troubleshooting is simple. If you're not seeing the FaceTime option or continuity camera isn't connecting, ensure both your Apple TV and iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Also, verify that continuity camera is enabled in your iPhone's settings under the camera section. A quick restart of both devices can often resolve connectivity issues. With these simple steps, you've unlocked a whole new way to connect, transforming your Apple TV 4K into a powerful communication hub. Happy FaceTiming!